Nothing excites you anymore. You used to love that hobby. Now it feels like work. You used to care about your goals. Now you're just going through the motions. Food tastes bland. Music sounds flat. Even good news barely moves you. Something's wrong, and you know it. You're sitting there thinking, what's wrong with me? Am I depressed? Am I broken? Did I just grow up and this is what adult life feels like? No, your brain isn't broken. It's been hijacked. And I'm going to show you exactly what happened, why everything feels gray now, and the one thing you need to do to get your brain back. Because once you understand this, everything clicks. Here's what nobody's telling you. Your brain has a reward system. It's supposed to make you feel good when you accomplish things. But something rewired it. And now, normal life can't compete. Let me explain what I mean. Your brain runs on dopamine. It's the chemical that makes you feel pleasure, excitement, motivation. Think of it like a bank account. Every time you do something rewarding, you make a withdrawal. Eat food, dopamine. Hit the gym, dopamine. Accomplish a goal, dopamine. But here's the catch. Not all dopamine hits are equal. Natural rewards, small deposits. They feel good but balanced. Artificial rewards, massive spikes that your brain wasn't designed to handle. Social media, porn, junk food, video games, binge watching. These blast your dopamine levels 200 to 300% higher than natural activities. Your brain thinks it hit the jackpot, so it rewires itself to crave more of that artificial hit. And here's where it gets dark. After those massive spikes, your baseline dopamine crashes, lower than it was before. So now, normal things that used to feel good, conversations, exercise, reading, creating, they register as boring. Your brain is sitting there going, this isn't giving me the hit I need. You're not lazy. You're not unmotivated. Your reward system is desensitized. It's like turning the volume up to max for so long that normal volume sounds like a whisper. Everything real feels dull because your brain is chasing artificial highs. And the worst part, you don't even realize it's happening. So, how do I fix it? Good question. But before I tell you the solution, you need to understand something important. This isn't going to be easy. And that's exactly why most people never fix it. Here's what you have to accept. Your brain is addicted to easy dopamine. And like any addiction, the fix requires withdrawal. You have to starve your brain of artificial rewards long enough for it to reset. That means delete the apps that give you instant gratification. Cut out the porn, all of it. Stop binge watching shows. Quit eating hyper-palatable processed junk. Stop doom scrolling the news. I know what you're thinking. That's literally everything I do to relax. Exactly. That's the problem. You're not relaxing. You're numbing. Here's the protocol. Step 1. 30-day dopamine detox. No social media, no porn, no junk food, no video games, no binge watching. Cold turkey. All of it. Step 2. Replace artificial rewards with natural ones. Walk in nature. Have real conversations. Read physical books. Create something with your hands. Step 3. Sit with the boredom. Don't run from it. This is your brain recalibrating. The first week, you'll feel like you're dying. Irritable, restless, empty. That's withdrawal. Push through. Week 2, still rough, but you'll notice moments of clarity. Week 3, things start feeling different. A conversation actually holds your attention. Week 4, you'll read a book and realize you weren't checking your phone every 5 minutes. Your brain is healing. Here's what happens when your dopamine baseline resets. Music hits different. You actually feel it again. Food tastes incredible. Real food. Not just sugar and salt bombs. You get excited about your goals again. The motivation comes back. People become interesting. You're present in conversations. That hobby you abandoned, you can't wait to do it. Work doesn't feel like torture anymore. You wake up and actually feel alive. Not manic, not fake energy, just normal human aliveness. The way you're supposed to feel. The way you used to feel before your brain got hijacked. Look, I'm not selling you a course. I'm not some guru who figured out the secret. This is neuroscience. This is studied. This is real. Your brain has neuroplasticity. It can rewire itself. But you have to give it the environment to do it. Every person who's done this says the same thing. I didn't realize how numb I was until I felt alive again. You won't believe me until you try it. And that's fine. Most people won't. They'll keep chasing the next hit, wondering why nothing satisfies them. But you're different. You clicked on this video because you know something's off. You're tired of feeling nothing. You're tired of pretending you're fine when everything feels gray. You want to feel alive again. So here's the question. Are you willing to be uncomfortable for 30 days to get your brain back? Or are you going to keep numbing yourself until you forget what excitement even feels like? Comment day 1 if you're starting the detox tomorrow. Not I'll try, not sounds good. Day 1. Make it public, make it real, and watch what happens when your brain remembers how to feel again. Let's go.